Good evening, everyone. It's my pleasure to welcome you here tonight as part of our Research Without Borders festival. Research Without Borders is a festival that's really about enabling our postgraduate research community to talk about their research to a public audience. Whatever career you choose to pursue as a postgraduate researcher, you need these transferable skills. You need to be able to talk to people about what you do in a way that engages them and can clearly communicate the activities that you're doing.
It's my pleasure to welcome to the stage Marihan, who's our first speaker.
So hi everyone, my name is Marihan and my PhD is concerned with swarm robotics. And swarm robotics means using many robots in order to achieve a task instead of just one. I'm hoping to know how people perceive robotics, and that's something that we can literally integrate into our research because this is what we're doing. We're doing human-swarm interaction, so interacting with people and building systems for the people.
We really wanted to link with the work of our University Research Institute, so these are really pioneering interdisciplinary approaches, and robotics is such a emotive issue for a lot of people, and it really gives the opportunity to not only think about the questions that are raised in the media, but really understand the research that is underpinning some of these things.
So Effie, the stage is yours.
Bristol Digital Futures Institute is really interested in the ways in which society and technology intertwine and bringing together those different domains of expertise right from the start of the innovation process so that we can be much more intentional about the features that we're creating.
When a service failure occurs, customers have more tolerance for the service robot than a human employee. But what if the robot is human-like?
I think it is a very valuable opportunity for me. If I don't join Research Without Borders, I only focus on my research, but now I can hear topics and thoughts from the different disciplines, so that's really amazing.
Anna will take over this part to talk more about robots and the gender of robots.
So, female-gendered humanoid AI robots fit the definition of the simulated woman and influence discussions on human, specifically women's and marginalised groups' rights.
I've made connections within the Bristol Doctoral College, I've made connections within the BDFI, and then today I've already met some awesome people and hopefully I'll get something out of that too.
What impact will this have as AI humanoid robots become ever increasingly woven in the structures of human society? Thank you.
Ethics is really interesting. Ideas and concepts such as democracy, demographics, politics, representation. What is the regulatory glue that holds it together?
What do you think? It's been said a lot today at the event, but the interdisciplinarity that we're seeing and the things that are coming out in different areas of research with AI robotics, it's really important to share that and be able to work together and collaborate.
We've got such an amazing group of postgraduate research students at Bristol, and it's really great to really hear them all talk together about what they do.
10 out of 10, 11 out of 10, go and apply for the Research Without Borders event. It's wonderful, really, really great.